Hey, what's up? Chainlink holder. This video is going to be very important, my brother, for all of you because this time the channel link completely, especially from previous day, also fails down, and the current edition is also very. But you can see this time very bad change occurred now. Mine is 850. Oh my goodness, I can't accept this, my friend. You can see this time they completely fails out. So what we do in this terrible condition, my brother? So absolutely be pretty this to upcoming times. What's the chance, my friends? Do they move up or they fails down? The price is going up or fails down? What we do, sell, hold, or buy? Exactly, absolutely, my friend. If you don't skip, if you skip this video, absolutely you are lost completely. So first of all, I request you to kindly subscribe this channel for latest news and update. Absolutely, every tech channel is guide you every time, so kindly subscribe. My friend, this time the change occurred in last 24 hours is minus 9.08%. Very badly fell. You can see they completely fell down. There is no option today take a jump, but you can see here after this fell, you can see here if I draw a circulation, this is the highest point. You can see here, my friend, to after this fell they take a gain jump, very small jump, but laterally, my friend, they're starting moving upward now. So it's me to upcoming times they're moving upward, but definitely, my friend, if we check out the last 1 hour chart, then we understand to upcoming time there is a chance to they move upward or not. Yeah, exactly, my brother. You can see here this time I already show you in the last 24 hours today moving upward. So definitely in the last 1 hour chart, as you can see, my friend, today starting moving upward, and they take a very good job. So definitely it's me to Chainlink as moving upward. This is the prediction, my friend. It's absolutely moving upward in upcoming time. Kindly hold it. This will be very important to you. You don't sell it, please alert. And remember, this is not a financial video. If you want to sell, if you want to hold, if you want to invest, then exactly to research personally. And after this, my friends, you take a decision. Thank you so much for everyone. Kindly hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope they give you very good profit at the end of this month because the price is starting increasing now. And absolutely at the midnight, they give you just at only 5% to 10%. Absolutely and positive. So hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching, Chainlink holder. Kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.